Hi everyone! Let me introduce you to our last SDK release of 2023, SDK 2.11. With SDK 2.11, you will find three main points of improvements. So first, speed improvements for point cloud transfer and data handling. Second focus is our ease of use improvements, specifically for connecting our ZV2 and ZV2 Plus cameras. Finally, SDK 2.11 introduces sRGB color space to improve color and contrast for 2D images. The ZV2 Plus cameras now have 4x4 subsampling in addition to the 2x2 subsampling. This method still uses blue or red light, but will now sample 1/16 of the pixels in the camera. With less data, you speed up. This new mode will result in faster GPU processing times and reduced GPU memory usage. On less power GPUs, we expect 3 times faster returns in 4x4 mode versus 2x2 mode. We have also done some improvements regarding our capture and processing pipeline to improve the return time on our cameras. So to stay brief, we have added more concurrent processing, firmware optimizations, and improved acquisition queuing between 2D and 3D capturing. The ZV2 and 2 Plus cameras now have improved messaging on connectivity options for finding your cameras. This will show each ZV camera on your Ethernet network and have an associated state of being available or inaccessible. This feature can help speed up development by understanding where and when your camera resources are occupied. These states will be viewable in ZV Studio, the CLR tool, and programmatically. Another great addition is the ability to call your camera by its IP address or serial number when using the Network Configurator tool in the CLI. This is a great tool if you have forgotten which IP it has or have the wrong subnet mask. In this SDK, we have introduced using sRGB color space, a color space that is commonly used in video and image processing. sRGB color space is better at accurately displaying images on monitors as opposed to using a linear color space. ZV Studio now shows 2D data using sRGB, helping prevent overexposing the image to be able to see it better on screen. With this better representation of 2D data, it's easier to tune your settings for the images sent to your detection algorithms. Having the sRGB color space also decreases the risk of having high brightness, which in turn should reduce the amount of glare seen in the 2D images and result in cleaner looking data. We hope you like this video, and if you need more details, just check the blog post for the SDK 2.11, where you will find more information about the features. You can also check the changelog that we release for every new SDK. See you guys!